Hey guys, what's up? So today I want to show you what I eat in a day as a raw vegan. I have been through a lot of phases of the raw vegan life. I ate a lot of nuts in the beginning. I ate a lot of raw vegan gourmet, chocolate and nut butters and you know, like raw vegan pizzas and cupcakes and raw vegan Oreos. Yes, Snickers too. I used to make them a lot. But this is now what I eat, and this helps me feel my best, look my best, and I feel it's the easiest way to eat healthy. So let me show you guys what I eat in a day. So I recommend putting in some ice cubes, some lemon, maybe some mint, or I really like to do passion fruit in my water. They're not ripe yet, so I can't do that. Passion fruit are ripe when they are wrinkly all over. So this one is getting ripe, but they're too smooth to be ripe. So can't have passion fruit in my water today, but I can have ice cubes. So with my water, if I want it to be cold, since I have a Berkey filter, it doesn't, you know, produce cold water unless you put cold water in, and we usually don't. So since the water's warm, I used this silicone like chocolate tray, and I made heart-shaped ice cubes. How cute are these? Oh my gosh, I love these. You can do that. You can use any silicone chocolate tray, or, you know, obviously an ice cube tray, but they're not gonna be this cute. Or a really cool thing that I learned how to do is just buy some frozen fruit, okay, and use frozen fruit as your ice cubes, okay? It not only flavors the water, but it makes it colder and tastes better, and who doesn't love flavored water? So there you go, just add some strawberries or some blueberries or some pineapple or whatever you would like into your water, and there you go. Here's my water. It's 32 ounces, by the way. I always drink 32 ounces before anything else in the morning. Very important for digestion, for hydration. You are dehydrated when you wake up. You must drink water. Baby, don't stop. Got the key to the lock. We in our own zone. Okay guys, so here is breakfast. We have grapes, and I'm not sure how many I'm gonna eat, just as many as I want. So this morning my roommate woke up with a sore throat. Thankfully, we have a pineapple in the house. I'm gonna make her pineapple juice, which is proven, scientifically proven, to be 500 times stronger than cough medicine. So I'm really happy that we have this, and this is a super ripe, perfect one. You know it's perfect because it is golden, not green at all. So let's get into this. First thing, take off the top and bottom. Pineapples can be overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be, okay? We're just gonna go all around and cut off as little of the skin as possible. Always, always, always juice the center. The center of the pineapple has the most nutrition in it, okay, the core. And I always like to put my things in a bowl so it's easier to juice them. This is a really good pineapple. I'm actually gonna put a few chunks into my water because it's really good, and it'll flavor my water, and then I can, once I drink it, I can reuse it and then just like fill this up all day long. So I have really good, yummy flavored water, okay? So now let's get to juicing. Take off your halo. so I'm gonna give half to my roommate and I'm gonna drink the other half. While I have the juicer out and I've already dirtied it, I'm gonna make my green juice, which I was gonna make later, but never clean the juicer and use it again. That is a waste of time. So I'm gonna make green juice real quick. I'm gonna do apples, spinach, kale, ginger, lemon, lime, and parsley.
I need you to kill off my lonely nights. Otherwise, I'll just put that inside.
Pineapple juice is honestly one of my absolute favorite juices. Never buy it from the store. It's so disgusting. Be careful, you wanna be very careful because the sweetest part of the melon is right under the seeds. So just be careful. Alrighty guys, so I hope you enjoyed that video. I thank you so much for being here. And if you would like to see more of these videos, leave a thumbs up and comment below if you have a second. And if you can subscribe too, that would be dope. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next episode. Bye.